What's the meaning of crept? Crept. Crept.
Crept. Crept. Crept is the past tense and past participle of the verb creep. It means to move slowly and quietly, typically in a crouched or hesitant manner. The result of crept is a stealthy movement that is intended not to be detected or noticed by others. This could be due to the desire to avoid detection, to sneak up on someone, or to simply move without being seen. Crept is often associated with a sense of caution, secrecy, or trepidation, and can be used to describe the actions of both humans and animals.